Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Shpock account. For that, open up your Shpock app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on My Shpock, which is on bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on the settings icon, which is on top right. Under help and feedback section, there you'll see the option of help center. Tap on it. Go to My Shpock and settings. Under managing my account, there you'll see the option of deleting my Shpock account. Tap on it. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on delete account, which is at the bottom of your screen. To confirm your account deletion, you'll have to proceed to a new page. Tap on OK. After that, tap on all the small square box and then tap on request account deletion. Now, your request for account deletion is being processed. Shpock will now send an email after your account has been deleted. This way you can delete your Shpock account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.